Hello guys, we are at problem solving workshop for leaders at 91 Spring Board, Mumbai. So before solving, first we are discussing what is the problem. Okay. So problem again you can see through smileys whether you want to see problem as a problem or problem as an opportunity. And we are discussing basically the elements of a problem. So okay, first is what is a problem. Okay. Then we are jumping into the context. For whom it is a problem, because for someone else it might not be the problem. So we should identify for whom it is a problem, for what audience, in what context it is a problem. Even for that particular person, not necessarily that is always a problem. So it again goes back to the theme that in what context, what situation the problem exists. So I will hand it over to Shubham.
So once we determine what is the problem and for whom and in what context, then we go through that what's the root cause of the problem. Root cause can be why, because of whom. That may be related to a person who is causing the problem, or maybe any resource or something which is situation which is leading to the problem. And then once we find out the root cause, we go to what if. Like what if we solve this? We can do two things with this problem. What if we solve and what if we don't solve it? Here comes the severity also. We can say that if we solve this problem and we gain something, in the process of solving, again we can have a new problem which may lead to risk, which is already linked to if we don't solve. We don't solve, we come to a risk which can also be done if we solve, and then comes a new problem. So proceeding will be taken over by Vikram.
So adding to like why, because of what, we need to understand first thing, past experience. Is this a problem happened earlier, or this is a new problem? And if this is a new problem, then we need to set the importance. What kind of criticality, what need to be severity? Is it going to be solved right now, or this can be deferred, or this can be taken at a later stage? And based on this, we also have to see the urgency. Like if you have a banking product or something, insurance product, that cannot be taken on less priority, it needs to be taken on a high priority. So basis on this past experience, importance, urgency, we are going to make the solution how we need to move it.
So once the questions are answered for the problem, understood the importance and the urgency, the important part here is to understand how can we solve it, who will be helping us with this thing, and what kind of solutions can be taken in this place. Or is there any sort of preservative actions that can be done over here, or anything of that sort?
Yeah, that's pretty much.
So that's the thing, like a problem is a problem solutioning, and how we can identify the problem and how we can solve it.
Cool. So that was the exercise where the team came up with the factors of a problem. What are the factors that can affect a problem? And this is part of the workshop, problem solving workshop for leaders, organized by the Test Tribe. Thank you.
Thank you.